This video shows how to add a video in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Add Video just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Click on an empty line on the page. Type a / on your keyboard. A menu appears. You can scroll down and click Video, or type the word Video to find it faster. A pop-up appears with Upload or Embed options. Click Choose a Video. Choose a video file from your computer. Next to the file, you can see the file type and file size. If you are on the free plan, the video must be 5 megabytes or smaller. To check more details, right-click the file and click Properties. Here, you can see the file type and exact file size. If the file is too large or unsupported, it will not upload. After uploading, the video may take a short moment to process. Once it finishes, the video appears on the page. Click play to check if the video is working. That's how you add a video in Notion.